Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dagá. The Hiligaynon word dagá means a sacrifice to idols, a human sacrifice, the killing and eating of pigs, chickens, or etc. by the superstitious, or also to sacrifice to idols or in superstitious practices. Let us have the following example sentences. Dakpa ang kanding kay idaga sa minahan. Catch the goat for we will sacrifice it for the success of the mine. So a minahan is a mine and then a kanding is a goat. To dakop means to catch. Dakpa ang kanding kay idaga sa minahan. Ang ila pandot gindagaan nila sing duha ka baboy. They sacrificed 2 pigs at their feast. Ang ila pandot gindagaan nila sing duha ka baboy. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, dagá. Madamo gid nga salamat and see you in the next one. Bye!